What is up, guys? Once again, welcome back to LDGaming! As you may have seen by the thumbnail or the title of this video, we have a package! And it's from... what's this? It's from Philips. Let's get into it, shall we?
LDGaming.
By the way, guys, before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to LDGaming. Right now we are at 1,900 subscribers. Let's reach 2,000, that's our goal, and hopefully we reach it as soon as possible. Then we will try to reach our next milestone, which is 5,000 subscribers. This is quite a light package. It says it's around 1 pound, and it seems lighter than it is. So yeah, let's open it up. By the way, guys, if you haven't watched the vlog, the best unboxing vlog ever, please, I'll put a link down below. Take a look into it. It's really fun. Thank you, baby, once again for the amazing gift. So here it is, guys. It's the Philips Flite wireless Hyprlite. So basically, by the name, I think it is their light headphones. So the good thing about it is that it is wireless, just like those Samsung U series, the one that you put on your neck, then it has this small wires to connect to your ear. So it acts like a normal pair of headphones, and still it is wireless. So get both from both worlds. By the way, I got this from Philips, so thank you. I just paid for shipping basically. And right now it's on sale on Newegg for around what's that? How do I convert that? $10. I think it's around $10. Yeah, $10 without the shipping. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal for a set of wireless headphones from a very reputable brand such as Philips. This was released quite back, like last year, I think. So why are we unboxing it now? First and foremost, it is on sale. And yeah, it is on sale on Newegg for $10, so it's a pretty good deal. And basically, I like the design of it. The design language is basically simple. It's very sleek, and it's very minimalist. I think it's just black with a small hint of silver. So yeah, right. So look here. This is the box. It's very slim. It's around this much, so like 5 inches, very thin. And here is the headphones itself. Focus, bro. There, as you guys can see, it's really nice. So anyhow, let's open it. So here it is, and yeah, there. We have some paperwork which we do not need, and we have some cables, charging cable. So sad to say, since it was released last year, it is still rocking USB Type B. Here it is. It's really simple. You have the cables itself, the set of it's like the shape of the AirPods. Let me pull out the whole thing first. So it doesn't look cheap at all, considering that the price, the normal price, is around what was that? 3,000. Yeah, 3,500. 3,000 to 3,500 pesos. So I'll put the conversion on the post edit. I forgot the exchange rate right now. It's pretty nice. It's light, and it has this neck band, which at first I think this is gonna put some strain on my neck, or basically hinder me from moving, since it's an annoying thing, like putting something on your neck, knowing that I'm not the type of a necklace dude wearing necklace and stuff like that. But right now it's pretty neat. It's really flush. Like, I think this shape is a bit too small for me, but putting it on right now, pretty good. And good thing is that the the headphones itself is pretty quite long, or just long enough to be able to put in your ears like that, and is not going to anywhere. Like you do this, you do that, still there. It's really not annoying me at all. So good job, Philips. But right now, one thing that I notice is that these wires are not retractable. Like they're not retractable at all. And what else can I say? Slite, basically, because it's the Lite series of their set of headphones. And to further show you the details or the intricacies of this device, look here. This is your charging port. Focus, focus, bro, focus. There, basically, this is the charging port. I don't know if you guys could see this. This is the charging port. We have some controls: the play, pause button, the call answering button, volume controls, and this is the power button. So there's one thing left. Let's connect it to our phone. So we have our Note 10 here, Note 10 Plus rather. And first, let's try to open it up and let's see if it's gonna pair at all, or it's gonna be working, since it just came from shipping. So basically, just hold the power button for 3 seconds and it will vibrate and it will start blinking blue. There we go, guys. Philips Hyprlite. It's there. Just press that and yeah. And it says it's connected, and it says that it's low, 10% remaining, and you cannot see me. So there we go. Basically, we need to restart the video because for some reason my camera doesn't focus. So there we go. It's connected now. It says 10% remaining, and let's see how it will turn out. So let's try some music. Let's play Psycho from Red Velvet. I'm currently on the recommended max volume for earphones, and it's on the low side of volumes. That's what I could say. But the good thing is that I could definitely hear everything. Like I could definitely hear everything at everything outside or my surroundings. So basically, there's awareness even if I'm wearing this and listening to music or doing something. So people could still call me. I could still I could still respond to them. So yeah, that's good. And the good thing is that this is basically simple because it doesn't have an app. From what I know, as of the moment, there isn't basically. That's good because for me, who is a tech enthusiast who is ready to go somewhere, ready to go anywhere right away, this is good because you just need to connect your phone, no need to download apps and stuff, and you can still use it right away, which is good. And quality-wise, music quality, clear audio, clear voices from the song. It's not distorted. Bass, bring it to maximum. Listen to the bass itself. The bass is there. That is good. It is not tinny from and you could experience that on cheap headphones, which is bad. But this one, being it on the premium side, is around 3,000, 3,500. But as of now, it's sale on Newegg for only $10 or 1,000 pesos. So it's really good. It really sounds good for 1,000 pesos. Bass is deep and long battery life, obviously, because it claims that it could run for 7 hours straight, and my Galaxy Buds here is only rated for 6 hours, which is good. But the advantage of this one is that this is completely wireless. This is Type-C. It has wireless charging, and it has ambient sound feature wherein you could turn on the mic of this earbuds and listen to your surroundings. But me, upon trying it, it doesn't affect me much. Yes, it blocks the audio itself, but when I'm using the earbuds for listening to my surroundings, what can I say? I could hear people talking. I could hear them properly, but it's not that loud. That's what can I say. So yeah, it's not that loud, and that's the only downside that I could think of right now for the Galaxy Buds, because I'm really enjoying it. So yeah. Final verdict for the Philips Flite Hyprlite. So that's a lot of light. It's light, it's compact, long battery life, 7 hours. I think that's good enough for music playing, since you would be really spending 7 hours listening to just music. So yeah, I think that's good enough. And it's cheap basically, because for the past fourth quarter of 2019, it's really on sale at Newegg and other stores, online stores. I don't know with the retail stores right now. Here in the Philippines, I don't think that it's for sale here in the Philippines locally at our retail stores. So yeah, so it's really only available online. The Philips Hyprlite right now, it's a good deal right now. So grab a pair, guys. I think Philips really did a good job in designing and creating this pair of headset. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you don't, you know what to do. Please subscribe to LDGaming. This is Luke once again. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, guys.